This is a 3D printed steering wheel kit, inserted with the existing Cmate Non-invasive detection prototype. The dimension is 6 centimeters long, 3 centimeters wide, and 8 millimeters thick. If manufacturers want to embed this prototype module, it can be developed and designed separately and integrated into the structure of the car. The following is a demonstration of the usage scenario. To use, click the button on the mobile phone to start measuring. Place your hands on the sensor plates to start the 30-second ECG measurement. Please avoid moving or talking during the measurement. Stay still and avoid mood swings. Once the measurement is completed, wait for the AI calculation results. The results are immediately sent back to the mobile phone or central surveillance center. Long-term recording can monitor the driver's physical health and track the driver's health trend for a long period to ensure driving safety.